Hi guys, it's been a while since I've posted on this channel. Anyway, I will be showing a strat for winning 1v1s with the Yamini kit. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe if you want more. First off, get around 48 to 56 iron, buy a stone axe and 16 to 32 blocks, depending on how big the map size is. The good thing with Yamini is that you don't need to use all your blocks to immediately rush the other team's bed. Oh. Looks like he's already dead. I will show you the same strat, effectively showing how overpowered this method is. Dang.